Hi, Karen Carreras-Hubbard here, Coordinator of Library Services. This is another video tour, and this time we're going to be looking at ebooks. So I'm going to go to the college's main page and go ahead and click BCC Library. That takes us to the BCC Library page. And I just scroll down and head to ebooks. We have a number of ebooks listed here. The one we're going to go to is our largest collection, which is right on top, eBooks, eBook Central. eBrary is the old name for it. There are over 175,000 books in this collection, and it's growing, so there may be more by the time you look at this video. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and once more I am met with a search box, as I am with all of our databases, and I'm going to type in my search. I'm going to type in here climate change. I wind up with an awful lot of books. I'm going to narrow it down because it's important to narrow down. I'm going to look for more current works, so I narrowed it down to 2019. I can narrow it down further by subject, and they show, if I click show more, it shows me a whole batch of subjects. In this case, I'm going to stick with just what I have here, and right off the bat I see something that looks somewhat interesting, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. I have a couple of choices. I can read it online, or I can download the book, and if I download it, that's for reading it really offline. It will stay on my computer for 21 days and then it disappears kind of mysteriously, but I could always go back and do it again. I can then also, if I wanted to, I can add it to my bookshelf. Right here it says add to bookshelf, and when you do that, it's like putting it into your own virtual bookshelf. You can return to it every time you sign into eBook Central. If you click bookshelf, you will see your book there. If I click bookshelf here, I see a batch of books I've already put into the collection, so those are my own. It stays there. The books will stay there until August of 2021, and the really cool thing is if everyone in your class is reading the same book, that's okay. It's not like a print book where there may be only one copy in the library. You also don't have to worry about due dates or fines. So I'm going to go ahead and click read online. And in this case, I'm met with the book itself. I could turn the pages by clicking on the very top, and that takes kind of a while, but it's one way to read it. I can make the pages a little smaller by clicking the negative sign up here. I can make it bigger by clicking the plus sign. I can search within the book. Water is a big issue with climate change, and water is life, and what climate change does to our water resources. So if I just type in the word water, I can see all the places it shows, the word water shows up. And if I click one of these, let's see, pick one here, I can see water is highlighted. Probably was a little farther down on the page for the other one I picked. There's also a table of contents, which I can go to right away if I want. If I want to cite the book, I have citations right there, and they give me a choice of MLA, but they also give me a choice of APA or Vancouver or Chicago or Harvard. Most people use either APA or MLA at BCC, and sometimes Chicago Turabian. I could also print out to PDF. I can even, if I wanted to highlight sections of the book, I can add notes if I wanted to. And if I had saved this to my bookshelf, that note, which I just typed right there, will stay here until I take it out. If I click on it, it should show back up again. Oh, there it is. Yep. I can even add a little bookmark, like you have with a regular book. So that's about it. They also include a link, and there's a few other things here. Full download. That's sometimes a little bit more problematic. It depends on the actual book. Sometimes it will not download the whole book. But anyway, so here you go. That's the tour of eBook Central, eBrary, quickly. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thanks so much.